Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Bob McHugh from Walbro and Marketscale teamed up together to do this little video on me at the GIE, the expo that's in Louisville, Kentucky every year. I didn't even know they were doing this until Bob sent me the finished product and said, hey, check this out, look what we did. And I was so complimented, so flattered by it. And I know that 99.9% of you have never seen this. So I want to share this with you right now. Watch this.
So this here, one of the big products, the spiral diaphragm, it's been out for 6 years. But amazingly, we had an internet influencer from Steve's Small Engine Saloon post a video about, it's been about 10 days. And it's absolutely blown up. So our online sales for the spiral diaphragm kit have done very well, and a lot of people are coming in the booth saying they've watched the video and now they want to buy the product. So Steve, I've actually seen his videos for years. I'd watch him, never really thought twice. Mike Patello, who's now taking charge of the aftermarket area, reached out, sent him samples. It's been about 6 months, he finally posted the video. Crazy. He gets about 20,000 hits a day on a video. We're happy as an OE we get 600 hits a day. I guess that's a true internet influencer.
Pretty cool, eh? If you want to see those 2 videos that Bob's talking about in there, I do have the links for those in the description of this video, right underneath this video. Click on those and you'll see what all the hubbub was about. Really cool. And also do not forget to go back to walbro.com and see that, because it's a really cool website too. And until the next time, everybody, Steve out.